Today, I'll walk you through how to stop OneNote from opening on startup on Windows 11, 10, and 7, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to disable OneNote from launching automatically so you can enjoy a smoother startup experience. Let's get started. First, from your desktop, you'll want to access the Task Manager. To do this, simply right-click on the Windows button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. A menu will pop up, and you should select Task Manager. This is like opening the control center for your computer's operations. Once the Task Manager is open, look for the Startup Apps section. If you're using Windows 11, you'll find this option on the left side of the window. For those on Windows 10 or 7, it will be located at the top part of the Task Manager window. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps will still be the same. Now, after you click on Startup Apps, take a moment to find OneNote in the list. This is where you'll see all the applications that are set to launch when your computer starts. Next, check the status of OneNote. If it's enabled, that means this app will automatically launch after your computer boots up. Think of it like a guest who always arrives uninvited. It can be a bit annoying, right? To disable OneNote from starting up, simply right-click on the app and select Disable. This action will prevent OneNote from opening automatically the next time you start your computer, and just like that, you've taken control of your startup process. And there you have it. You've successfully stopped OneNote from opening on startup across Windows 11, 10, and 7. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.